See, first question is if tan 45, see the question once. If x tan 45 degree, okay, sine 30 is equal to cos 30 tan 30, then value of x is equals to what? Root 3, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and 1. This is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 and 1. Which is the correct answer?
Sir, 1 by 2.
Is it 1 by 2? How you solved already or simply you put the values?
Sir, I just substituted the values and I got it.
So x is equals to 1 by 2 you're getting.
Wait, sir, wait. What if? Sir, I got 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2.
Sir, I got 1, sir.
Yeah, answer is 1.
Sir, even I got 1.
Yeah. Answer is 1. So x and tan 45 is 1 only. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cancel, x is equals to 1, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Few questions are really easy. So next question you just see. Sine 2b is equal to 2 sine b. Say this question. What is the answer for this?
0 degree.
0 degree? Sine 0 is
Yes,
equals
sir.
to
0.
2 sine. Huh? Sine 0.
At 0 degree, sir.
Yeah,
Answer
b
is-
is equal to 0 degree if you put 0, right? I think
Yes.
Praharshan, you have seen before, no? This question.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Then next is your, this will take 10 seconds time to solve. Question number 3rd. You can see the question. Solve this. If A and 2a minus 45 degree are acute angles such that sine A is equals to cos 2a minus 45 degree.
Sir,
Then
what is
tan
the
A,
13 root 1? Is it
1
on
by
the
root
big
3. This is 1 by root 3.
Okay.
This is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. If A and this are acute angles, then such that sine A is equals to cos 2a minus 45 degree. Then tan A is equals to what? How you are putting the values, Praharshan?
I got 1 by 2. Wait,
1.
I got 1.
You got 1. Okay, Praharshan got 1. Anyone else?
Sir, even I got 1.
How you have solved?
Sir, putting the values, sir.
Which value? Sine A.
Yes, sir.
19.
What is the value of it? Sine A.
Sir, it's getting 1, sir. 1 is the answer.
Tell me how you have done.
Sir, can I see?
Sine convert into cos 90 minus A.
Yeah, that's true. So if you make cos, if you cos and cos, if you want to make, then it's very easy. Cos 2a minus 45. So if cos is same, this is not a. Cos this and this will be equal. So 90 minus a is equals to 2a plus 2a minus 45. So minus 3a is equals to minus 135. A is equals to how you are getting? Tan A should find, right? So
Sir, you
one,
cut the minus signs, you get 45 divided by 3 while 135.
135, no, here.
Divided by 3, you'll get 45. And tan 45 is 1.
Okay. Tan 45 is 1. Next question is, this is also very easy question. Question number 8. Okay, what happened? 1 minute. So question number 8. This is question number 4th actually here. Sin theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Then cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equals to what? This is cos to the power 4 theta. Cos to the power 4 theta. What is the answer for this?
1, sir. 1 only.
1 only.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, here please see, if we take the sin square theta to the other side, 1 minus sin square theta equals to cos square theta, hence sin theta equals to cos square theta. So we can put the value of sin theta in the place of cos square theta.
Yeah. Sin
So,
theta is
sir, it will
equals
be
to
sin.
1 minus sin square theta.
Yeah.
So sin theta is equals to cos square theta, correct?
Yes. Cos
So
square
this,
theta, if we put here, then it becomes sin theta plus sin square theta only.
this become sin square theta.
Yeah.
And this value is
It's
already 1.
given. Yeah.
So this is only.
1.
It's clear to everyone? Is it clear? Praharshan, Zavian, please on your cameras, all of you. Please on your cameras. Okay, now next question is, this was question number 4th. Question number 4th. Next question number is question number 5th now.
Sir, could you explain the fourth one again?
Okay, fine. See here.
I didn't get how you got sine cos
Okay.
or theta.
See, this much you understood. Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. This one understood.
Yes.
Now see, cos square theta, you can write sin theta. Because see, both are equal here. See, can you write cos square theta equal to sin theta? Again, cos to the power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta to the power 2, correct?
Yes.
So cos square theta again can be written as sin theta. I square you are writing. So sin square
Understood.
theta over.
Okay.
So 4th one is clear. Now 5th question is 5 tan square a minus 5 sec square a plus 1 is equals to what? Praharshan, on your camera.
Sir, 6, sir. Answer is 6.
Answer is
6. Yeah.
okay.
Sorry, sir. It's not 6, sir. It's minus 4.
Minus 4.
Yeah, minus 4.
Okay, let them solve. 5 tan square a minus 5 sec square a plus 1 is equals to what? Either you can convert sec
-4.
minus 4. Okay. Praharshan, what is your first step? How you are doing at this question?
Sir, I didn't even start. Sir.
So how you are thinking to start?
So convert this tan into sec.
Okay. Javian, Adarsh, Rasul, on your camera, all of you. So 5, you are just converting tan into sec form, right? So tan square theta in sec square form is what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So sec square theta minus 1 will come, right? And minus 5 sec square theta plus 1. So 5 sec square theta minus 5 sec square theta plus 1. So this will get cancelled. Answer is minus 4. Okay, next question is this is kind of looks weird question, but I don't know the answer for this. See this question. Can you see this question? 10th one. If sec a plus tan a is equals to x, then sec a is equals to what?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Okay. How to solve, Praharshan?
And it's option B or D, sir.
You
Right.
remember? You remembered or was telling by some trick?
Sir, I remembered the answer, sir. For
Acha,
this.
acha. Okay, okay, fine.
This question comes in the test.
Comes in the test.
The top
Sir, the
Yeah,
correct
topper.
option is B, right? X square
Acha.
minus 1 by 2.
How Samarth?
Sir, I did it by squaring. X
Squaring
square
both
is-
sides.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
squaring both sides, what you will get? Sec square a plus tan square a plus 2 sec a tan a is equals to x square. After this,
Sir, we know that tan square, sorry, sec square A minus tan square A equals to 1.
but this is
And
not
sir-
minus now.
Sir?
This is plus over here. It's not minus.
No, sir, I'm also about that. I was
Acha.
saying that,
Okay.
uh, if we take the tan square A towards the 1, so sir, it would be sec square A equals to tan square A plus 1. So we can convert the either this sec square A into 1 plus tan square A.
So this one I should convert 1 plus tan square,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
1 plus tan square a. Again, I should write tan square a only, right?
Yes, sir. Plus tan square A
Huh.
plus 2 sec A tan A
After this,
equals to x square. Sir, here, sir, 2 tan square A will be there.
2 tan square a will be there. The 1 plus 2,
And sir, we will take the 1 to the x square side. Minus 1 would be there.
1 minute. 2 sec a tan a is equals to x square. Now you tell me what to do.
Alright. So here 2 tan square A plus 2 sec A tan A. And sir, we can take here 2 as common. So
Okay,
x square minus-
this one you want to send to other side, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is become, and from this 2, we'll take 2 tan a common, correct?
Yes.
So 2 tan a common, if we take, the here become tan a and plus sec a will come, right?
Yes.
And is equals to x square minus 1, correct?
Yes.
Then this whole part is x, right?
Yes, sir.
But here tan a answer is coming. No, it's not coming 6a.
Sir. Tan A. Just a minute.
Sir, you send the 2 and the x to the other side as well.
Yes.
Better what you
But-
convert? No, to convert tan to sec form. That is better to get sec answer.
Yes, sir.
You
That can
got
happen.
the answer over here as well, no, sir. I mean, it's gonna be 2x tan A anyways for this place. So
Hmm.
yes, send the 2x over to the other side.
Acha, 2x to the other side you want to send.
Yes, sir, and
That-
you will get the answer.
See, 2x will get, but here we'll get in tan a is equals to x square minus 1 divided by 2x.
Here
You are
we
getting
will
for
get the
tan
value
a.
of tan A, right? We will not get the value of
Okay.
So what I'm saying here, you just convert here, you converted 1 plus tan square a. No,
Sir,
you,
no need, sir.
huh?
Sir, sec A.
Huh.
Here, sir, sec A plus we put the value of tan
Again,
A
it should become big. No, it will come.
minus 1 by 2x equals to x.
Again, what you should go for tan a, what you can write for sec square a minus 1.
Yeah, what will be?
What you will write for tan a?
Sir, we will not write anything. We just put the
Better you just
value
try
of
to
tan
change
A
here only.
in
This
the
is,
formula. Sec A plus tan A equals to x. Then also we will get the answer.
so this is the best way to write this one, right? Better change
Yeah.
that only.
That's the
Because
easiest way.
sec A we want, means we try to convert everything into sec form. So sec square A as it is we write, and plus tan square A we write sec square A minus 1, right?
Yes.
Then plus 2 sec A tan A is equals to x square. Then sec square become 2 sec square A plus 2 sec A tan A is equals to x square. So here 2 sec A is common. Right here sec A plus tan A is equals to x square. So 2 sec A you bring this side now. Now sec A you can write easily, right? Sec A is equals to x square. Minus 1 we have not sent. No, here minus 1 will come. Sorry, plus 1 will come, right? Sec square plus 1 divided by 2x. So last is the answer. Exam children, don't remember and go. If you solve once, no, automatically you can put tick easily. Now you'll not forget here plus, because here minus is coming. If you not solve also, it will go. But if you remember either this or this, then pakka you'll go tick wrong and come back. Next question number. This is question number 6. Anyone, any doubt? Adarsh, you are getting doubt here?
No.
Okay. Now question number 7. 1 minute.
Sir, can you explain the 6th again?
Which step you are having doubt, Drishi? I'm just writing the steps over here. You just tell me which step you are having doubt. See, first,
Sir,
second,
the 3rd one.
this step.
Yes, sir.
See, sec square A and sec square A become 2 sec square A. This plus 1 I sent to the other side, and this one as it is. It's clear? Now from this both I have taken 2 sec A common. In bracket, what is pending? Sec A plus tan A, which is already x. That's why I written here this whole part is nothing but x. Okay. So 2x, sec A is equals to what we can write? X square plus 1 divided by 2x. Is it clear, Drishi?
Yes, sir.
All right. If they ask x tan A form, then children you can tell which answer. The one answer is tan A also. Right now we got CK form. No, other question is for tan A also for the same thing.
So option B.
Yeah, here option B. So don't remember plus and minus. They may change in anyhow. Okay. In exam time, they may change. So here answer will be what? X square plus 1 divided by, sorry, x square minus 1
So
divided
x
by
square
2x.
minus 1 divided by 2x.
This is the answer for this. Next question is. Tell me the next question. 1 plus cos A divided by sin A equals to what? This is very easy question. 1 minus cos A divided by sin A is equals to what?
Sir, it's sin A upon 1 minus cos A.
Sin A upon 1 minus cos A. So your answer is A, right? Rest all children, what you are getting? Others, what to do in this question? 1 minus cos A divided by sin A into, you can reciprocal, you can do rationalization, you can do 1 plus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So numerator part, what do you get? 1 minus cos square A divided by sin A. This is not square, this is 1 plus cos A. So a topper part is sin square A. So this becomes sin A only divided by 1 plus cos A. Why am I writing square again and again? It's coming plus, no, Drishi? You are saying minus. It's coming plus or minus, Trishi?
Sir, you are getting correct. Also same as me.
What, Samarth?
Sir,
Answer
I
is
got
both
C
are
as
square.
both are square.
Yes,
See.
sine square.
Wait. Why you are getting
It's
confused
correct.
here?
Yeah, it's correct.
See, if you write here square and here if your sign A is there, then one sign will get cancelled, no? So sin A divided by 1 plus cos A, right?
Yes.
How
B
you
is
got
the
sin
correct.
A? Huh?
B is the correct.
B is the correct answer. The next question is sin theta is equal to A by B. Sin theta is equals to A by B, then tan theta is equals to what?
Sir, it's A by B, right?
Yeah, it's A by B.
No, no.
Sir, once you do it,
Huh? What Samar? Others?
sir, you do
Sir,
it.
C is the C.
See, sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse, or you are writing opposite by hypotenuse, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
this
Sir,
is
is C the answer?
if this is a theta, huh? What?
I got C as the answer. A by root over of B square minus A
Okay.
square.
This is A and this is your B. So you can find this one. This is B square minus A square, right? So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. So A divided by B square minus A square. The answer is C. All of you got the C answer. Others, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how did you get root by p squared minus a squared again?
How it is coming, you are asking.
Yes.
Pythagoras theorem, you know, no? This is, if you are writing this
Okay.
side, so if you take only this side, suppose ABC I'm writing here. If I write BC, what I should write? Root over I should write, no? B square minus A square. If you write BC square, then you get B square minus A square. If you write BC square, then you'll get here B square minus A square. If you remove square, then root will come. It's clear?
Yes.
Okay. Cos 9A is equals to sin A. Then tell the answer, children. Cos 9A is equal to sin A. 9A is less than 90 degree. The value of tan phi A is equals to what? You got the answer?
Sir, something is wrong here. I'm getting 5 by root 3.
5 by root 2.
5 by root 3.
You're getting 5 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Angle A, what you are getting angle A?
The angle A is 6 degrees.
See, cos 9A is equals to, anyone got the answer? A, B, C, D?
I got A equals to 6 degrees.
Praharshan, again you off the camera. Praharshan, Adarsh, Teja, Gangrappu. Teja, you are coming monthly once and not off, not on the camera, huh? Chanchal and Drishi. Chanchal and Drishi.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone getting the answer, or shall I solve question number 14th, children? Question number.
Sir, trying, sir.
Okay. How you are trying, Javian? Tell me. Cos 9a is equals to what you are writing?
Sir, like I did not start writing. I'm just starting to try this.
Starting to try.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay, fine. So see, sin a can be written as cos 90 minus a. Now see, cos coming same. So can we write like this? 9a is equals to 90 minus a. So 10a is equals to 90. So a is equal to 10, right?
One.
A is equal to 10. So 1050 we are getting here, right? Question is 5 only. Let me check once. Question is 10, 5 only they are given here.
Sir, 10 divided by 90 equals to 9, sir.
Acha, हाँ. 10 divided by 90 is 9a plus 10a. 9 only, yes, correct. Here 9.
So sir, the
9.
answer will be 1, right?
Answer will be 1, correct. Answer will
Sure,
be 1.
sure, sir. I will. 1. Yeah, okay.
What?
Okay, sir.
Sir, 15 equals to 1 as well.
Sir, is it 1?
What? You got in 1 for here this answer also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So sine C is 90. So obviously a plus b will be 90 only, right? If C is 90, the whole triangle sum is 90 only. The a plus b is equal to 90. The sine 90 is equal to 1. Sine a minus cos a is equals to 0. See, sine a minus cos a is equals to 0. Then value of sine to the power 4a plus cos to the power 4a. Sine to the power 4a and cos to the power 4a is equals to what? Sine a minus cos a is equals to 0. Then sine to the power 4a plus cos
I am
a.
getting sine 180 plus cos 180. So what's the value?
What? Sine a?
I am getting sir A as 45 degrees and sir 4a and cos 4a equals to sin 180 and cos 180.
180 how will you get?
Don't know, sir, but I am getting a as 45
Samarth, this
degrees.
is a power 4. It's not 4 into a.
All right, sir. All right.
So answer is 2, children, right? Here from this, what we can get?
Yes, sir. 2 is
Sin A is equals to cos A, right? Sin A is equals to cos A. So here if sin A is equal to, at what angle both will be equal? Theta is equal to 45 degree, means A is equal to 45 degree, right?
yes, sir. A
If
equals to 45 degrees, sin 45 to the
so
power 4
sin
plus cos
45 is
45.
equal to what? 1 by root 2 to the power 4, right?
Yes.
0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 only, no? And plus 1 by root 2 to the power 4. So what will come? What root 2 to the power 4 is? 1 by, what will you get? 1 by 8, right? 2 to the 4 we get 4.
Sir,
It's not, and here also 1 by 4. So answer is 2 by 4. So answer is 1 by 2. It's not 2, it's 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer for this.
That's 12, right?
Yes, here mentioned 12, but it's 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 and this is 3 by 4. It's clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
1 by 4. So next question is, oh, we have done all questions from this side. Okay.
So can you give questions with the identities?
Which identities?
Like the identity questions.
It's not coming here only, but otherwise I've taken that. I said I'll see that one. I'll just, these questions are now. Okay, 1 minute. These questions may come like complementary angle kind of thing. It will come, may come, right? 1 minute. What's this? Only one. Copy.
That the answer is 0.
Answer is 0.
Yes.
Hmm. How answer is 0 for this?
Sir, cos 90 is 0, sir. So anyways, if you multiply everything, it's 0.
Hmm. So how, see, first cos 0, acha, anything will be 0 only, right?
Yes.
Hmm. So cos 0 value is 1, cos 90 value is 0. So this value is 0 means anything multiplied by 0 is what? 0 only, right? 1 by root 2. So these questions are repeated so many times, right? So now next question is, let me search some hard question. It's not coming only hard. Chotu motu
Sir,
sa.
there is a question like sine 1 theta into sine 2 theta multiplied until sine 90 theta. What is the answer?
You are having with you the question with you right now.
Sir, I remember the question, but I
Oh.
don't know.
Okay, tell the question.
Sine 1 theta multiplied by sine. So it's similar to the top one, except there is no sine 0.
So sine starting from sine 1, you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sine 1. Then after that,
Until sine 90 is multiplied.
it's multiplication only.
Yes, sir. All the way.
Till where? Till
90.
sine 90. Till sine 90.
Yes.
Okay. So this is
Mm.
sine 89, right?
Yes, sir.
If you see this sine 1 and sine 8, there is no plus here, no oral multiplication, right?
I think there was a one question with a plus and one with the multiplication.
So here sine square, sine 45 degree will come in the between. Sine 90 will come at the last. So 2 and 88 will come 1. Okay. Sine 1 and sine 89 is 1. You know, children? Sine 1 into sine 89 is equals to 1. Because you can convert this into cos. The cos 18, how it become? It's how it is coming. 1, it won't come. Sine 1 is This will
The-
become,
it must be a plus sign there.
this will not come in this way. First, what we should do here? I think your question is not coming proper over here.
So the
Right.
use plus, I think.
Hmm.
Plus sign. I
Search and
think.
send. Don't confuse here. But answer C, what happens sometimes? No, first and last will get cancelled, children. Understood? Sine square may be there. See, sine square may be there. You have not remember sine square 1, sine square 2, dash, 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 till sine square 89. It will be there here and here. So what happens? This and this become 1, children. Find the value of this one. What is the value of this one? Tell me. Sine square 1, sine square 2, sine square 3, sine square 4. Huh?
Sine square 45.
What is the answer for
1
this?
by 2.
1 by 2, right?
Yeah, here multiplication is there, right?
Yeah, all are in multiplication.
So 1 by 2.
1 by 2. जाना है जाना लेना है. So see, everything is getting cancelled over here. Sine 2 and sine 88 will become cancelled. The middle part, one single solo will be there. Solo performance will be there. That is sine square 45. And this value is nothing but 1 by 2. This answer is 1 by 2 here then. Is it clear?
Sir, could you repeat
Huh? What?
this question?
What, Praharshan?
Explain this question again.
See what I'm saying, that sine square 1, first and last one will become 1. You know how it become 1? Like sine square 1 and sine square 89 can be written as sine square 90 minus 1, right? And sine square 90 minus theta is what? Cos square theta. But
Okay,
plus,
sir, understood.
plus will come into picture, children. Here plus will be there. Plus plus. Here plus will come. Then only become cos square 1 and plus sine square 1 becomes what?
So sine into cos equals to 1 as well.
Sine square theta plus cos square, not multiplication. Sine
Like-
into cosec. Is it clear? Drishi, you are getting this?
Sir, once again explain.
Yes, sir.
See what I'm doing here, Adarsh. First and last, sine square 1 plus sine square 89. You are getting Adarsh, sine square 1 plus sine square 89. So this both answer become 1 only. How? This you write as it is sine square 1. And you change here sine square 90 minus 1 you can write. So this again becomes sine square 1 as it is. And sine square 90 minus theta is what? Cos square theta. So answer is 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, this and this also becomes what? 1 only. So here 1 akela bach jayega. Akela, this become alone here, right? Sine square 45 become what? Alone in the middle. So everything become, but you will get so many answers, no children. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so many answers you get, right? So how many times you get the answers? Samarth, Drishi, what will be the answer for this then?
Sir, which one?
This answer, there is plus, no, they should add everything, right? 1 plus 1, how many times you get? You get 45 times, right?
45 times.
And plus half is extra over here.
44 times.
Huh? 44 times. So answer is 44 and half. This is the answer. It's not 1 by 2. Answer is what?
Sir, you mentioned multiply, right? So that's,
Multiply will
1 by
not
2.
happen only, no. Samarth, how you multiply? Sine square 1 into sine square 89, how will do?
All right.
Hmm?
Yeah.
If they give in some different way, like sine, cosec. Hey, what happened? Shall we go to the next sum?
Yes, sir. You can.
Next sum. Praharshan, just put your answers. Okay, questions in the Wise app. We'll solve that one. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Match the following. Side opposite to this is that. What is this? What is that? This is quite nice question, but you can do easily. See the question over here. In the given figure, what is answer? Put in the chat box. What is answer for this? Tan B is equals to what? Children, your timing of the classes is 7:45. Okay. All of you are joining around 8 o'clock. Only Praharshan, Samarth, and few children will join at 7:45. Rest all are joining by 8 o'clock. What? You don't know the timings, children? 8 o'clock you have remembered, all of you?
Sir, I was late today only, sir.
Correct, Chanchal. Today only you late, no? First time?
Yes, sir.
What would be the answer, Chanchal, for this?
Yes, sir.
Tan B. You should find the angle of B, right? So AB is 14. This whole part is 14. AB is 14. So this part is 14. This is 5. So obviously this will be what? 9, correct? So tan B means
Yes, sir.
what is the angle of this one? This will be 9 and this is what? How to find this? This is 13, this is 5. So you can find ED also. What is
The
ED?
AC is 12, right?
Yeah, this is 12. So tan B is equals to what?
But
What
the
is
answer
tan?
is 4 by
So
3.
it's
4 by 3 is the answer.
Tan B is equals to opposite by adjacent. And opposite is 12, adjacent is 9. The answer is 4 by 3. Who is not able to understand? Raise your hands. Tan B, if you are talking, children, if you are talking about tan B, the opposite is this one and hypotenuse is this one. Sorry, adjacent is this one. Okay, so this is your adjacent. This is your opposite. Is it clear to everyone?
yes.
Next question is, यहाँ रखा हुआ था पहले, यहाँ रखा हुआ था. See, the question is, three cot theta is equals to 2. 3 cot theta is equals to 2. Find the value of tan theta.
Right. So the answer is 3 by 2.
Huh?
The answer is 3 by 2.
3 by
3.
2, sir.
Okay.
B is the answer.
Obviously, it's 3 by 2. This is the easiest part of the whole thing, I think, today.
Yes.
Next question is alpha beta kind of thing. If cos alpha plus beta is equals to 0, if cos alpha plus beta is equals to 0, then sin alpha minus beta can be reduced to what? This is NCERT exemplar problems. If cos alpha plus beta is equals to 0, then sin alpha minus beta can be reduced to
Sir, cos beta.
cos beta. How you are solving?
Sir, I had solved it in the exemplar one.
Huh?
I have this NCERT exemplar book. I have it. So I remember it.
Anyone who will just tell me how to solve this question? Others?
Sir, we
Pra-
can do it by taking the value of alpha plus beta is 90 degrees.
Correct. See children, what we should do here, cos alpha plus beta is equals to cos 90 degree we can write, okay? So alpha plus beta is equals to 90 degree. After that, sin alpha minus beta we should find. What is sin alpha minus beta? Now what to do, Samarth? Any one of you? Sin alpha minus beta.
So we can put any value for alpha and beta.
That also you can do if you want. Yes. So which one you want to put value? 45, 45 you want to put value. So sin 0 become what?
0.
0. Sin 0 is 0. The sin alpha 45. Then with 0, 0 when will come? Sin 0 will come at cos b, right? Means
So
alpha.
but if we put alpha as
Yeah, you can do in that way if you want. If you are writing 45, 45 also, no? So here this is 45. This is 45. So sin 0. Sin 0 is 0 only. And cos beta is what? Cos, but 45 is there. This is not the answer then.
Sir, we can put 60, 30, 36.
See, this one is the correct answer. Cos 2 beta. No, cos 2 beta you can take no. Beta is 45. So 45 to the 90. The cos 90 is what? Cos 90 is 0. Understood, Praharshan?
Yes.
You can try with other one also, no problem. If you know alpha plus beta, you can find alpha minus beta. You don't find, you can't find, right?
Sir, we can by squaring them.
Alpha beta you should know, no, you're squaring both sides. What you can do?
Yeah. Okay.
Is it clear? Directly you can put the value of alpha beta, you can do that. That also is possible. So this is
Okay.
cos 2 alpha, 2 beta value should be the correct answer. And check with other any other angle also. Take this is 90 and this is 0. So what will come? Alpha is 90 and this is 0 you take, it's coming. So sin 91 as you sin 90, sin 90 is
Sir,
1.
you won't get the answer.
You won't get the answer.
And cos 2 beta would be like 0.
Why you won't get the answer? You got no. Got that answer also. See, beta is what? 0. So cos 0 is what? Cos 0 is 1. You got the answer, right? Any angle you put,
That's
you'll get the
correct,
answer.
sir. Yeah, it's correct.
Next question is question number 1 minute. 45 plus theta. This one person you are asking, I think, no, this type of question. 45 degree one. Correct, Praharshan.
No, sir.
You can solve. Who can solve this question? Dun, 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 dun. Rasul, what is the answer? You are full silent. What happened? Solve the question. Tell. Sine 45 plus theta minus cos 45 minus theta is equals to what?
Sir, the answer is 0.
0. Here also you can put any, if you can put anything, children, here, so that will get the answer easily. Theta you take 45 here. Here also 45. So what will come? Sine 90 minus cos 0. So sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is also 1. The answer is what? 0, right? Got it?
But sir, if we put the value, will we get the answer? Answer will be yes, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. We will get from but
Samarth, what?
sir, I was actually putting the value of 45. In. It was not possible.
Tell louder, Smarth. Tell once again.
It was not possible for 45 degrees. I was trying for it.
It's not possible for 45 degrees.
Yeah, if we take theta as 45 degrees, it's not possible.
Here I've taken right now. No.
You have taken 0, right?
No, 45 I've taken here. Theta I've taken 45 only. Sine 45 plus 45 is 90. So sine 90 value is 1. Minus cos 45 minus 45. So cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 only. The 1 minus 1 is 0.
Okay, sir. I was putting actually theta as at the first 0 degree and at the second 45 degree. That's why I was not putting.
0 degree you're putting.
Yeah. I was putting sine. I had to put in both 45 degrees, right? I was putting 0 degree in the first one, 45 degrees
No,
in the
no, no.
second.
See, same we should put.
That's
Now,
why
theta,
it was.
yeah, theta should be same.
Yes. Yeah.
If you put 0 also, you'll get the same there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Rasul is clear. Praharsan, I'm going to remove right now. It's
Sir,
already.
everyone is off, sir. Why only me?
I don't want everyone. You don't see everyone. Okay. You see yourself. See Rasul. You should see positive people, not
Sir,
negative.
on this camera.
Not negative ones. I'll
Sir,
remove
actually,
Samarth.
I am writing on the tablet. That's why to stop the camera.
Javin already told the excuses. Okay. Acha, Praharsan, you are just comparing with other people. What, man? Why you're comparing with others?
I don't know.
Nice. Your hair is so short, it looks nice.
Sir, I went to a temple.
Tirupati you went.
Sir, no, sir, some other temple.
See, yeah, your kind of question come Praharshan over here. But it's 45 degree. Sine 5 degree has come. Just see here. Your question, similar type question has come. All of you solve children. You might be knowing the concept now. Solve this question, all of you. This is the last question of the day. Sine 5, sine 90.
Sir, sir, result 9.5.
Huh?
9.5.
9.5.
Yeah, think so, sir. Because they're yeah, 9.5. I think.
Anyone else? Samarth got 9.5. Anyone else got the answer? 9.5. Samarth. Rest all children. Rasul, what you got the answer? Adarsh,
So 9 point.
9.5 only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Say children who are not getting, sine 90 value is 1. Last one is 1 only. Then sine square 45, and here is cos square, sorry, sine square 85, right? Sine square 85. This is sine square 85. This and this becomes what? 1, right? I told you before also. Again, sine square 10 and sine square 80 becomes 1. So how it will come? For 5 it will come, for 10 it will come, for 15, for 20, for 25, for 30, for 35. Till where we should go? How much you should count? Huh?
Till 90.
85.
85 means we should make pair, no? See, 4 is going to pair with 40 is going to match with 50. You should go till 45, right?
Yeah.
So 40,
Yeah.
so sine 45 is equal to what? Sine square 45 is equals to
1
1
by
by
2.
2, right? And
Yeah.
this will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there. This part is coming. This whole part is coming what?
8, sir. 8 half.
8. And last one here, 90 also is there, 1.
9
So
half.
8 and 1, 9. 9 and half. This is the correct answer. How you have calculated, Samarth?
Sir, I calculated the same, sir.
Rasul,
I
how you have
calculated
calculated?
the total number of 5 multiples and divided it by 2. And then
Achha.
add the.
Okay, fine. So Rasul, how you have solved? So here total multiple, what you should take, here you should 45 will be coming out. 45 is not there and 90 will be not be there. So from 5 to 80 only you should count, right? Till 85 is there,
Yes.
but 80 only you should count. So 5 to 80, how much will come? 80 by 5. How much will come here? Not 80 by 80 by 5, right? The total number divided by 2. It will come 8, right?
Yes.
Means it actually coming 16. The 16 by 2 you should take, that is 8. Here 1, 9, 9 and a half. So anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
That's for the today. Just keep on solving the questions on this one, objective type questions. If you're having any such doubts, you can just send me in this WiseApp app. We'll just solve it accordingly. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you then.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Hey, Teja, you are still here.
Sir, sorry for the not responding
Okay.
because my hand was fractured, sir. It was too paining. It was a buckle fracture, sir.
Now you're well.
No, sir.
Bandage
I
happened.
still- Yeah, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Teja, take care. Bye.
Bye, sir.